Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dinosaur. It's Torosaurus from Jurassic World. Let's get started with this. It's going to be very simple, so follow all the way to the very end. Short video. If you're a dinosaur lover, you're going to love this, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these dinosaur videos, and I'll post way more of them. And also suggest a dinosaur you want to see a lesson on in the description, okay? This is Sketch Monster. Let's hop right into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a really cool dinosaur, and that is Torosaurus. This is from Jurassic World. It's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so let's get started, okay? I'm going to start right here. It's a ceratopsian, so it's very close to the Triceratops with little, very minor differences. So right off the bat, Torosaurus, we're going to go right here, and I'm going to start with kind of a line down here for the front of his face, the top, kind of the eye area. Pulling out. And line out over here, down for that horn. I'm gonna draw a curve over here, kind of close off that horn. By the way, stay all the way to the very end. If you love dinosaurs, you're gonna learn how to draw this. You're gonna have that knowledge in your mind when we're done with this. All right, I'm gonna draw a line here for kind of the other side. Let's go over here and draw that beak like a lot of ceratopsians have right here. Up. Curve underneath here, right? Just like a swoop. Down here, another swoop for kind of the lower mouth. And then now we're going to go over here to the eye area. And it's going to be kind of like a curve right here. Curve underneath. Line right there for kind of the bag under the eyes. We're doing a little bit more of a realistic type. Line over here for the nasal cavity. And over here on this side for the cheek. Out. Line over here, back of the jaw. And line underneath for underneath the neck. Okay, so good. So far, so good, right? Simple. Yeah, rewind this if you need to. Definitely hit the like button if you love Jurassic World like I do. If you want to see more, dinosaur drawings, drawing lessons, please let me know. Gonna go over here, curve up. Back over here for the horn. And we're gonna close this horn off right there with the light curve. Let's go over here on this side. Out, in, and slight curve. Excuse me. Line up over here. We're going for that crest, like most of these ceratopsians have, pretty much. They're famous for line up, curve, out over here, down, in, right there. That crest looks like a giant potato chip, in my opinion. And then we're gonna have a little bit of some spikes on the edge of this. Right on. Line over here, line over here. Out, down. All right, now let's go over here and draw the body, right? This part, you're gonna like it a lot. It's very simplistic. I would say the body, it's way simpler than the head in my opinion. So we're gonna go over here and about this point, we draw kind of like a curve of the back. It's gonna go all the way to the tail. Let's go over here and we're gonna draw the lower body now, okay? Curvature back for kind of one hand going back there, one arm down. And then we're gonna have these elephant style feet right here. Let's find his elbow, curve right there, curve right there for kind of the back of the arm. Line underneath over here for the other part of underneath the body. Down, down. Line over here, curve back, and down right there for that elephant foot. Let's go over here now. We're going to continue the lower body just a bit right here. We're going to continue that. And then we're going to go over and find the leg. So curve, elbow of the knee, or the elbow of the knee, the edge of the knee, out over here, down. And again, we got that elephant style leg over here. Up. We got the kind of back of the heel here, down. We're going to pull this up and then curve back up over here. And now we're going to find the rest of them. Continue that lower portion of the body, that lower belly. Curve underneath, and it's going to curve right in the tail. All right? So let's find the actual details. I guess you can put another one over here for the back of the foot, down over here. And what we could do is fill this in dark. It's going to give it that dimension that we need. Right on. Don't forget, we have a How to Draw Cute ebook. Go take a look at that. It basically talks about the proportions of drawing something cute. So big head, small eyes, or big eyes, right? Small mouth. This kind of stuff doesn't even need to be practiced, really. It's just the knowledge of how to draw these characters cute. You can even use it on this guy. Very simple, 100% free ebook. And the cool part is, once you kind of look at these worksheets, like, you'll have that in your mind forever. It's literally just kind of worksheets, like 6 pages. You'll look at it and you'll be like, okay, now I know how to do that. And you'll be able to do it pretty much without practice, because it's just the knowledge part of what you exaggerate. Curve, curve. Look for that link in that description. It's 100% free. Curve, curve. Curve over here, curve, curve. And we got those, again, those nails right there for the kind of foot there. One design they always put on him is kind of like, I'm going to go with a very thin line. Is the very thin line kind of around the pattern right there on the crest. I see that a lot with Torosaurus. Obviously, we don't know the color of Torosaurus, but he's got this like, but he's represented a lot with these kind of like donut shapes right there. Over here as well on the maybe some stripes. Very thin. Kind of going down the side right here. And I want to make that thinner because I want that to come off like detail. That's the most important thing. It has to come off like detail and not like, you know, another leg or something like that, another arm, another appendage, right? It's going to be way too thick if you do that. Maybe you can do some little folds over here as well in the detail, like line, line. Line, line over here. Line, line. Curvature over here. Line over here. And maybe a line right here for that kind of spike in his cheek, which I kind of forgot to put. And let's find his eye right there. I didn't really do that. There we go. Dot for his eye. And that's Torosaurus, by the way. I hope you had a good time with this. I hope you had an amazing time. Definitely say hi to me in the comment section. If you made it this far, if you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me right now. Say hi to me right now in the comment section if you can hear this, because it'll let me know. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're an amazing person. You're an amazing artist. Stick with this stuff, and you're going to become better and better. And I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Have a great day. Stick around. I'll put a lesson later today, and I'll talk to you soon.